Hello, and welcome on in to another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Matt.
Today we're continuing our discussion about liqueurs. We're drinking today the Wild Turkey American Honey Sting.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click on that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit of information about this?
All right. Okay, so this is American Honey Sting. This pretty little turkey on the front. It says Sting at the bottom. Yes, gobble gobble. All right, so this is a 71 proof Wild Turkey Bourbon blended with pure honey and ghost pepper. So the ghost pepper is 400 times hotter than regular Tabasco sauce, which is pretty awesome. The Wild Turkey Honey Liqueur, which is the predecessor to this one, was introduced to America in 1976. It was the first American whiskey honey liqueur in the world at that point. Now it's called American Honey, which is another one, which we'll review that one another point, that one itself. But this one that was in 2007. And so this bad boy came out, I think, 2017 or 18 when this one came out. And so, yeah, it's got this lovely pepper. So I bought this little fancy glass for our liqueurs review because I thought I got fancy.
Indeed.
Yeah, you are.
We're using small tulip shapes. These are miniature Glencairns. But really, to get the best out of your beverage like this, you just want some sort of tulip shape.
Yes.
Matt just wanted to be able to put his pinky out with his liqueur.
Yes, I just wanted this fancy my little liqueur glasses because I was like, oh, I have them. I should use them.
So this is super sweet on the nose.
It is.
Super sweet. You can smell that honey right off the bat, and I kind of get the lemony.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got like the honey, little black pepper that you can just barely smell that ghost pepper.
Yeah, I'm not finding it just yet.
I get on the nose, and I think it's from that the slight burn as if you were to sniff pepper.
Yeah, maybe a little.
This is definitely
green.
This is definitely sugar added, and/or they did not distill all the sugar out of this because my glass itself is sticky.
Yeah, well, I'm sure that's the honey because they mix actual honey into this, so I'm sure that's the sugar is the honey itself.
Okay.
Give us a sticky liqueur.
Sticky liqueurs. All right, this smells pretty interesting. It's just a little on the sweet side for my palate, but I'm going to go in.
Good.
Ooh. It is very sweet.
It is very sweet. There's a distinct flavor, though.
Honey.
Mm-hmm.
It's called honey.
Yeah. No. What is that?
It's got honey, vanilla, black pepper. It's right on the second sip. This finishing warming sensation of the ghost pepper pulls out.
Yeah, I get that right at the back, and it kind of lingers there too.
Yeah, the ghost pepper shows up about mid palate.
It's got lemony to it
too. So
it's almost like lemon honey tea.
I could get behind that. I'm remembering this specific type of candy. It was a hard candy, and this has a specific flavor of one of those lemon hard candies that I can't remember the name of them.
Heads?
No, it definitely wasn't those.
Those are sour.
No, these came in a package with lots of different colored things in it.
Rents?
No. They were a little bit harder, or a little bit larger cubes, a little bit larger discs. Sorry.
Discs.
But
discs.
Yeah, kind of like Smarties, but
not Neckos.
Candy coated hard shell.
Oh,
Skittles. But they were larger, and
Yeah, they're flat, kind of.
Yeah.
They're how are those called?
Sprees.
Spree.
That's it.
They're sprees.
Yep.
I know exactly what you're talking about because they came in a chewy form and they came in a hard form.
Yes, and this has that chewy.
Yep.
Spree.
The yellow
vibe
ones.
going
the
on.
Yellow ones.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I can totally get behind that.
Sorry.
No, it's all good. We had to work to get there. I can get behind that. It's just it's really sweet. I could find myself pouring this in a hot cup of tea.
Right.
I'm sick.
Honestly, because of the ghost pepper, it's not too sweet for me.
Yeah, kind of cancels it out some.
It does a little bit, and although I feel like it probably would be too sweet after a little bit of time, the first couple of sips are not not overly sweet because of that ghost pepper in there.
I like honey, so
Yeah.
I can just take the bottle of honey and just
Yeah, I agree with you. I think this in some tea would be beautiful.
It's
Yeah.
amazing in tea. I've
Maybe
used it
some lapsang
on
souchong.
or your throat hurts. It's awesome.
make a hot toddy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, big time. It's great. You can always add a little more 101 if you need to your hot toddy to make it better.
There you go.
You know?
Yep.
But yeah, this ghost pepper really does add a really nice. It's not
It
hot,
balances
it's
it.
like burning. It's just a really nice warming sensation. It's like
Right.
add an alcohol push to it. That's just really nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's well balanced.
I agree.
It's a balanced spice added to something nice and sweet.
Yeah, Jimmy Russell said he really liked this, and he thought Americans would really appreciate a nice kick in the pants to it when they tried it. I think he was right. I think this is really nice.
There you go. Well, I mean, apparently by the looks of your bottle, you like it.
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, that's quite good. I have drank this many times. This is probably one of my favorite liqueurs, to be real honest with you. But I really like this one. I drink it in a lot of tea. It's quite tasty.
Yeah, I could totally see
totally
myself
dig that. Yeah.
in with this and some tea.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably one of my favorite honey whiskey-based anything, to be real honest. There's plenty of other honey-based ones that are okay. This one I really like, though.
Like we were saying, though, most of those are ridiculously sweet. And this
Right.
has more of a balance to it with that little bit of ghost pepper.
Yeah, because we'll review the regular American honey and we'll see what you think if it is too sweet for you.
Fair enough.
Okay.
Awesome. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and be sure to hit the notification bell. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers.
Sticky.
Mm-hmm.
It is very sticky, like ridiculously sticky.